Hey guys, RedPandaMining here. Hope you're doing well. Having a really great day. This video, I just got in 2 different motherboards from nerdgears.com. These are X99 chipset server motherboards, and I asked Nerdgears for these because I have been more into the AI world. I guess I use the word AI a bit loosely, as that seems to be the general thing these days. AI, I guess, in terms of utilizing these types of motherboards, is mainly for GPUs to utilize the full extent of the PCIe lanes. Okay, so not sure if this is full X16 or X8. It does say here NVMe PCIe Gen 2 X4, so that's for the M.2 slot here, these 2 slots, NVMe slots here. And then I'm assuming, yeah, it says X16 PCIe here, and there's also another X16 PCIe here as well. But I'm guessing that's because of the chipset that this is. It's an X99. So look at this. This is pretty cool. It has, yeah, actually already has RAM populated in here. So Nerdgears gave me, looks like we got 8 gigs of RAM here, 8 gig stick, and then there's another 8 gig stick, another 8 gig stick, another 8 gig stick. So 32 gigs in total, okay? And you know, I may set this up for utilizing for maybe Salad or some other type of AI platform, which there are so many out there, as all of you guys know, which I've been meaning to try out a whole bunch of them, like FluxCore and Vast and Salad, which I think I said already. So there's another motherboard set up here. Let me open this up. Okay, so let's see here. Oh, this is a big boy. Look at this. This motherboard is thick. Okay, that was a little bit hard to take out, but look at this guy. Look at this. Okay, this is just comparing the size here compared to this motherboard. Okay, so this is I think this is a full EATX board, but then this is also, oh no, this is like MATX, as this one has the ATX length. Okay, this one has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 PCIe slots here, which is pretty crazy. I don't think these are all X16, so I'm actually reading it here. It says CPU 2 X16. I don't know if you guys can read that right there. X16, the second one there is X16. Third one there says X8, okay, CPU 2 X8, and then it says CPU 1 X16, CPU 1 X8, and then the last one here says CPU 1 X8 as well. So 2 CPU 1 X8s, 1 X16, and then we got 2 X16s here and 1 X8 laned slot, PCIe slot. Okay, so this is pretty cool. I can't wait to set this up. Man, look at this. So again, 32 gigs of RAM on here. Now, I did see, I think these all came with CPUs. Okay, let me just plop this here, and let's take a look at which CPUs Nerdgears sent me. Ah, yes. Okay, we got Intel Xeons. These are E5 2698 V3s. 2.3 gigahertz CPUs. Okay, so we got one here. There's another one here. Looks like, yeah, it's 2698 V3. And then we got another one here, which looks like it came out of the box here, but looks to be just fine. Another, yeah, 2698 V3 CPU. And then we got a fourth one here. Is this the same? Let's see. Yeah, 2698 V3. E5s, Xeons. So this is a bit older generation, right? This chipset on these boards are definitely a bit older. So are these like, you know, AMD EPYC boards? No, these are older X99 chipsets, and so that's why on nerdgears.com this board is, I think, about $100 right now. So just looking at this, if I wanted to put like 6 GPUs on here, I obviously can't slot them in like, you know, one by one on here because they wouldn't fit. So I'll probably need to do some type of PCIe riser, which I do have a couple of these. Okay, so I could utilize these and maybe somehow set up some type of AI platform with this setup, all right, with a couple of these types of adapters and put them up on like a mining frame, which I've done before. You know, I actually did do a 3090 mining rig, and I was using that for node.ai, so that was actually pretty fun. So I could do the same thing with one of these boards, or the other board as well, but just taking a look at here as well. Okay, there's another NVMe here. All right, another NVMe slot here, another NVMe slot here. All right, this is where the CPUs go. Yeah, this looks pretty cool. Yeah, this is like just a generic Chinese brand by the looks of it. X99 F8D Plus, right? For $100. I feel like, you know, these days you could probably find workstations out there that also have, you know, this same type of chipset and probably like loaded up with a lot of RAM, but this is DDR4. Yeah, DDR4 2133 megahertz RAM. And there is still another 4 extra slots here I could populate, okay, with more RAM on this. So depending on what I'm gonna try these on, I mean, if I were to do like salad, which if you guys have seen, right, I have a lot of these salad rigs, okay, and also I'm gonna be building more salad rigs, and there's actually these guys right here that I have already set up for salad. Okay, I have a 3060 here, 3090, 3090, and oh, why is this guy off? Let's see if I can turn this on. Okay, well, it looks like this one shut down. Okay, so I just turned that back on. But anyways, I have these on salad.io, and they were generating, I think yesterday I made about $9. So that's pretty good. With these 3 3090s and one 3060, it's actually doing pretty good. So looks like I am going to be getting into more AI related content. Okay, the term AI, I just feel like it's been so overused and over abused, and there's just so many different definitions regarding AI and like what type of workloads you're doing. You know, not necessarily could mean AI, it's meant for AI. It just means for compute or some sort. AI, I feel like for me, the definition of AI for me is obviously artificial intelligence, which is ready to, you know, take over the world and, you know, cause the whole, you know, Terminator type of scenario, Skynet or something like that. Anyways, guys, I just wanted to make a video about this, unboxing these two motherboards here. Yeah, I'm gonna have some fun setting these up. I hope I can actually fit. Actually, no, this obviously will not fit on one of these types of mining frames. Yeah, that's gonna be something I'll have to figure out later. Okay, and this micro, I think EATX one will not work on that, you know, open air frame. I'm gonna have to figure out, probably I will have to fit it on something like this. You know, I do have a Threadripper system here on a open air mining frame, so this is something I'm not sure if it could fit on here. Okay, that I'll have to figure out another time. If you guys have any options, let me know down below. But if you guys have any questions or are interested in one of these boards, feel free, link down below to nerdgears.com. They also have a bunch of other things as well. All right, I'll see you all in the next video. Have a good one. Peace out. 2 CPU 8 pins each side. This one also has 2 CPU 8 pins there and there. That's cool. That's pretty cool.